Second, V-Ray light. Third, V-Ray object. And 4, V-Ray utility. So we require this 4 initially thing, which is very useful and very fruitful for entire V-Ray render setting. V-Ray is basically plugin and V-Ray the virtual ray system. What is the full form of V-Ray? Virtual ray. Okay. So यहाँ पे जैसे हम virtual ray की बात करते हैं, so alpha, beta, gamma and all these rays. So this is V-Ray, the virtual ray, and there is double bouncing. इसके अंदर क्या है आपका dual bouncing है. So first I'll explain some tools and some thing which is very useful. So first, this first section, V-Ray object, V-Ray utility and V-Ray light. So we have this 4 thing. First, V-Ray for SketchUp from here to here. V-Ray utility, V-Ray lights, sorry, and V-Ray object and V-Ray utility. So look, if I off the V-Ray utility, okay. Now see, this is an entire toolbar. It's very useful and very interesting. So in that case, if I want to know about more V-Ray, so just click extension and go to V-Ray. When I click V-Ray, you'll found assist editor, choose cosmic, file path editor, light generation. This is a V-Ray rendered, V-Ray light, V-Ray object, entire tool, hide V-Ray wedges, and this is pack projector. So first thing, be clear in your mind, V-Ray is not a magic. Got it? V-Ray is not a magic. First, be clear in your mind. If anybody said, if you know the V-Ray, so V-Ray is kind of magic. No, it's not a magic. V-Ray is the algorithm. ओके, सो V-Ray इज नॉट अ मैजिक. बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड. इसके अंदर आपको एल्गोरिदम को समझना पड़ेगा एंड V-Ray हैव अ गुड एल्गोरिदम. और इसके एल्गोरिदम समझने के लिए थोड़ा सा हमें माइंड को एक स्पेसिफाइड थिंग करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज द V-Ray is completely working as a natural lights. Okay, like suppose if you want to illuminate your room, if the room is closed, there is no window, so in that condition I need artificial light. So same thing, the V-Ray is always working with natural light and artificial light. So what is natural light source? Natural light source, sun. Yeah. And for if I are talking about artificial light, there's lots of artificial light. Okay, so same thing, V-Ray have a own light schedule, light setup for lighting. So if we're talking about artificial light, so there is lots of artificial light. For look, if I'm talking about artificial light, we have extension and go to V-Ray light. See, this is all our artificial light: rectangular, sphere, IES, spot, omni and dome light. Okay, this all are artificial light, and one more light is here, that's called mesh light. Like whatever you create on an object, the object it's automatically converted into light. That's called mesh light. Okay, see right now mesh light is disabled because there is no object at all. If I select this one, it will be activate. If I deselect, it will be a deactivate. Now I'll start from first to end. First, I introduce this entire thing, what the mean of this entire tool and what is use of each and every tool. So if I click first, when I click first, this is assist editor. What is this? This is assist editor. Whatever you working, the related to V-Ray, this entire is master controller. This entire is master controller. Okay, you got all the thing. If you're talking about material, see, you have a material library. Look, see, wooden, fabric, carpet, metal. This is a form. This entire thing I'll download it. Okay, but by default, V-Ray have this one. If I click over here, and this is all the online material which is available online. When you install first time, you need to download. But this rest of thing, I already install this one. So I share this link also with you so you can use. Okay, now if I want to again close, so just click here, it close, and you want to more modification, like you need editing any particular material, just select and click here. So this is option of material. And if you want to add something, add attribute, just click, look, bump, transclusion. See, look, just outline. If you want to material ID, you can set the material ID. You can define the material ID. And more than if you want to layer. So look, V-Ray material, emissive, diffuse coat, reflective coat, flickers and storage flickers. So this is a layers and this is attribute for working with material. Clear? I'll explain the thing. Don't be worried about that. And if I click again here, it's closed. Now if you want to create new material, just click, you will found not in a material. You have a material, you have a texture, you have a light, you have a geometry, and you have a render element. And these all are specified here. If I want to light, just click on light. So light is created. See. Uh, Okay, so whatever you want to click create, just click here geometry. You can select the geometry. Light, you want to rectangular light. See, the rectangular is not created, only dome light is created over here. See, there is no mesh light. There's no, only dome light is here. And if you want to editing something, just click, you will find the editing mesh light. Okay, I want to back, previous, previous, previous. You want to delete, so if I click purge, it will be delete because there is no physical light at all in a screen. So not only light will be purged, entire thing, material, light, geometry, everything is purged if it's not used in space. Clear? The next thing, we have a geometry, infinity planar, proxy mesh. I'll explain each and everything. So all the thing is connect with this assist editor. This entire thing will be connect with this assist editor. So you need to know about this entire thing, like what means and what menu for what. Or if you know this important thing, so V-Ray is again very easy to. Okay, so next part is texture. Whatever texture you're using, you will found over here. And last one is V-Ray setting. If you click setting, see this bottom bar is automatically changed. Till here it's different, but if I click setting, you will find here. So first button, revert to default. I'm back. If I saved any setting, you can use the save. And if you want to load it, you just click load. This render setup. So we have this two options for load and save. Hmm. Okay. So we learn about this entire setting, what buttons and what is use of camera, rendered output, animation, environment, material override, swam, configuration, denoiser, contours, volumetric advancement, and then advanced camera parameters, global illuminations. We'll learn about this entire thing. And the last one is rendered. So look how it's working with rendered. If I want to render, so again I click, create a simple box here, and I'll explain extrude. I want to render. So look, the first button, this is, you will get this entire thing in the single screen. Now I want to render. So look, if I click this arrow, you have this three type of rendered: interactive, cloud, and export V-Ray scene. So I'm using interactive. When you click interactive, whatever changes you can do in a screen, so you will get the final output as well. In fact, if you are working, look at that. This is interactive render. If you want to stop, you can stop. You want to again play interactive, you can play. You can switch here. If you want to viewport render, just click viewport and render on viewport. Whatever you want to change on viewport, you will get. Okay. This is viewport region. If I click and I region, see, I make a region. Only this region will be rendered. Or the same reason I'm using, if I'm switch off the viewport, I want to just interactive. So in the same condition, I have a region. See. Okay. If I want to stop, just click here. It will be stop. Any doubt? Which one? Reason. Okay, just wait. See, if I want to reason, there is two type of reason. So this is frame buffer, VFB. And if you want to reason particular, just make a reason and interactive. See. And you want to viewport reason, you can click here and click here. This is viewport reason. Yes, yes, definitely. Okay, click and drag. See, if they're taking time, so don't be worried. It may be related to your system configuration. Okay, if you want to stop the rendered, this is the about rendered, or you want to check, click here. See, V-Ray render progress. When it's 100% render will be done. If I stop, okay. So this is just interactive. And if I want to final render, just click this final output. If I click here, you will get the final output button. Okay, see, rendered, this final render. And if you want to look, just click here and it will be done or not. See, this is finished. This information will be provided. And the time of rendered, show log. Look at that, right? So it will be information about V-Ray. So you will get. Now next part. Next part is just see. This is rendered. This one is interactive. This one is rendered with cloud. If you have a license purchase version, so you can upload your file for cloud based rendered, and company will provide you the rendered solution with free of cost. This is rendered cloud. Okay, and yeah, I'll explain this two thing. This is very two important. So first, this is CHOS Cosmos. If I click, this is V-Ray library, object library. See, we have this two vehicle, plants and more, and 100 new furniture. So if I want to furniture just urban, see, and it means it already downloaded. If I just click, so just open the project. Now import, download, wait for a second. Just click import. Just save the file, then click here, import, open project. There is no open project. Importing access is not possible as why it's happened. Yeah, see, import, again click. See, right now look like a cartoonist, but if I click interactive rendered, look at that, look at that. right? See, so this is a library which is very useful and very fruitful, very important. And meanwhile, if I again back, just go to home, 3D model, furniture, see, lots of furniture, just easy to use, just click, sofa, yeah. But right now it's look like a very cartoonist and very, but if I go to interactive rendered, it become a realistic. You found in newer version the good library as well. See the detail of leaf. So you will get this one easily. No, no, there is no sign in at all. No, don't be sign in. Just crack this version. And see, this means the render is still running. So if you want to click here or see this activate button, if I click it now deactivate. Now it's simple mode. And when it activate, look your system running too high. So if you want to check the system settings, click here and check the performance. See, CPU utilization is 100%, and in fact GPU, see if I rotate, if I rotation, my GPU is also working. So related to your system and related to your graphic. So be aware and keep in touch.